Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Disney Plus ABC News Live feature. In 2026, the ABC News Live feature on Disney Plus is integrated as a 24/7 continuous stream available to all subscribers in the United States. Unlike standard on-demand titles, this feature provides a linear broadcast experience for live newscasts, breaking news, and special events. To access ABC News Live, all you have to do is go ahead and open your application on your mobile device, smart TV, or disneyplus.com. And once you go ahead and open Disney Plus, look for the Live Hub or ABC News Hub icon, typically found in the main navigation or as a dedicated title on the home screen. Now, once you select the ABC News Live title, to begin the continuous broadcast. And if you are in a major market such as New York, LA, or Chicago, you can also find local 24/7 live feeds from 8 ABC owned stations within this same hub. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.